Benefits of fermented foods for diabetes management. Fermentation is a process that has been used for thousands of years to preserve food, and it involves the use of microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast, and molds to break down sugars and other carbohydrates in food. Fermented foods have become increasingly popular in recent years, as people have become more interested in the health benefits of these foods. Some of the benefits of consuming fermented foods include improved digestion. Fermented foods contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help to break down food in the gut and improve digestion. This can lead to reduced bloating, gas, and constipation. Enhanced immune function. The probiotics in fermented foods can also help to boost the immune system by supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. When these probiotics reach the gut, they can colonize and compete with harmful bacteria for nutrients and space, thus promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This, in turn, can enhance the overall health of the gut microbiome and improve immune function. Fermentation produces short-chain fatty acids, which are produced when beneficial gut bacteria digest fiber. SCFAs have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and can help to support immune function. Some studies have shown that fermented foods may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to a range of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Some studies have also suggested that consuming fermented foods may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. However, it's important for people with diabetes to choose fermented foods that are low in sugar and carbohydrates, as these can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Here are some examples of fermented foods that are suitable for people with diabetes. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein and contains probiotics that can help to improve gut health. It's important to choose plain, unsweetened varieties of Greek yogurt and avoid flavored or sweetened varieties that can be high in added sugars. Kimchi is a spicy, fermented cabbage dish that is low in calories and high in fiber. It's a good source of probiotics and can help to improve digestion. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that contains probiotics and is a good source of calcium and protein. It's important to choose plain, unsweetened varieties of kefir and avoid flavored or sweetened varieties that can be high in added sugars. Miso is a fermented soybean paste that is high in protein and contains probiotics. It can be used as a flavoring for soups, stews, and other dishes. However, it's important to choose a low-sodium version of miso, as some varieties can be high in salt. Vinegar is considered a fermented food. It is made through a process of fermentation in which bacteria convert juices into acetic acid. Vinegar can be made from a variety of sources, including grapes, which is used to make balsamic vinegar, apples, which is used to make apple cider vinegar, and rice, which is used to make rice vinegar, and other ingredients. Indian pickles are considered a fermented food in Ayurveda, a popular condiment and side dish in Indian cuisine. They are made by pickling various vegetables and fruits in a mixture of spices, oil, and vinegar or lemon juice. Indian pickles can be spicy, sour, sweet, or a combination of all three, depending on the ingredients and preparation method. Some common types of Indian pickles are mango pickle, lime pickle, vegetable pickle, etc. Ambali is a traditional fermented food. It is made from maize or sorghum flour that is mixed with water and allowed to ferment for 8 to 10 hours. During the fermentation process, the natural microorganisms present in the flour break down the starch and other carbohydrates, producing lactic acid and other beneficial compounds. Some studies have suggested that fermented foods like ambali may have a beneficial effect on blood sugar control. This may be due to the presence of beneficial compounds produced during fermentation. Resistant starch occurs naturally in some foods, but it can also be created through food preparation and cooking methods. Here are some ways to increase the resistant starch content of your meals. Cook and cool starchy foods. When starchy foods like potatoes, rice, and pasta are cooked and then cooled, some of the starch becomes resistant to digestion. This is because cooling causes the starch molecules to form a more tightly packed structure that is harder for digestive enzymes to break down. Try cooking a big batch of rice or potatoes and then refrigerating them for later use in salads or other cold dishes. Resistant starch is a type of dietary fiber that is not fully digested in the small intestine and instead passes through to the large intestine, where it can be fermented by the gut microbiota. Resistant starch has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, and promote satiety, which can help with weight management. Please do not forget to take your diabetic supplement Sugar Terminator, a complete supplement which regenerates beta cells due to Gymnema sylvestri, one of the ingredients used in the supplement along with other ingredients which helps reduce blood sugar. Take good care of your health. Thanks for watching Green Earth Herbal videos.